Merry Christmas to all of you out there, and today I'm very excited. I'm doing a unboxing video of a Kibler Colonial Rifle. This video is for you if you're interested in picking up one of these kits to know what you're getting yourself into. This is what the kit comes packaged as. I just threw the lock. Let's go over it lock, stock, and barrel. So here is our lock. It's just fun to open things. Here is our assembled lock from Kibler. We have a little bit of two-tone right here for this feather spring, but that is fine. Kibler, known for making quality. So here we go with the stock. I picked cherry because I thought that would be a fun hardwood to use. So I picked the entry-level kit with basically everything stock included at the base level price. That was about $1,280. So $900 for the kit, and then $330 for the lock, which is billed separately. They ship together, which is nice, but when you go online, you'll see that they're billed separately, but shipped together, plus $50 shipping and handling. It took me about a month to get the piece, and this is what I got. But if you want different types of wood, you can get maple is another standard one, or for paying more, you can pay more for fancy maple, which will run it up to about $1,400, or extra fancy maple, which will run it up to about $1,570. All up to you, just depending on what you want. But as you can see, like I'm not gonna have to take a wood file and do any sort of filing work. All I'm gonna have to do is sand it down, and that's awesome. That was actually one of the main selling points because I didn't want to do filing work. I'm still learning a lot, and that's not something I want to touch. And next here we have our rifled barrel. So this will be my first rifled flintlock. And I mean, not much really to say besides the barrel's already done. You have a touch hole drilled in, so you don't have to worry about that in case you were wondering. This one I bought in 58 caliber rifled. There are absolutely other options you can go with when buying this Kibler Colonial Rifle Kit. You can get it in 50 caliber rifle, 54, or 58. Or if you don't want to do rifled, you can have a Kibler Colonial Rifle smoothbore. That comes, you can get that in 54 or 58 smoothbore. That is the lock, the stock, and the barrel. Now let's kind of go over other pieces. Here's your brass trigger guard. You have some little machine work right there. I think that's from the casting. Again, not too great at this, but that can be easily knocked down. And right here, within the Kibler case, you have your butt plate. You're gonna have to find a way to knock down this casting. Shouldn't be too hard. It's brass. That'll shine up real easy. And then all your other pieces, including your thimbles, your trigger guard, the trigger, your lock screws, your side plate, that all comes in here. I'm not really gonna, you've seen one, you've seen them all. And that's basically the kit. For the informational book, you come with a manual here. And I was skimming through it yesterday. It's pretty nice. It tells you all the tools that you need to begin the project, as well as the standard items, general order of assembly, which is really nice. And then it'll break it down it'll break it down point by point, and that should help you put the gun together. I will be staying in stock with this iron nitrate that I picked up from the Kibler website as well. I won't be doing any videos about how I evolve or assemble anything like that. This piece is that will be done off camera because YouTube hates that. Even if you do any sort of woodworking on any sort of flintlock, it will get demonetized. So I'm trying to stay away from that, keep the YouTube gods happy as much as you can. And I will be making a video when I take this out to the range and put it through its paces. Very excited to have my first flintlock rifle. Also, I picked up a ballistic head, so that should be fun for 18th century ballistics testing. Only one, because this thing was like $70 to get shipping and handling, but he will be used for us to learn science together. And that will wrap up the overview. Short, simple, quick and to the point. Hopefully this was a good use of your time so you know what you are getting yourself into when you pick up one of these Kibler kits. If you have any comments, please leave those down below for something that helped you. If you've done one of these kits, I'd like to know your insight and what can help. And you can also help other people out in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. And Merry Christmas. Hope your year is great. Hope your new year is great. And look forward to making more videos about this. Till next time, guys, take care.